Welcome back. Let's do question 3C. Use the information given on the frequency polygon to draw a cumulative frequency curve, the OGIVE, that represents the results of the group of learners. Right, let's write our information here. We have our class intervals here, class intervals, and then we have our frequency, and then we're going to have the cumulative frequency here. Okay, right, the first class interval is 0 to 20. 0 to 20. Okay, how many? One learner, and then the cumulative frequency is 1. And then the next one is 20 to 40. How many learners? 7. Then the cumulative frequency is going to be 8, because 1 plus 7 is 8. You keep on adding. Right, then we have 40 to 60. And then how many learners? We have 10 learners. Then just say 10 plus 8, or 8 plus 10, 18. Right, and then we have 60 to 80. How many learners? 5 learners. And then we have 18 plus 5, which is 23. Right, then the last group, 80 to 100. Right, which is 4 learners. And then 23 plus 4, that is 27. Okay, right, now when we are plotting to sketch the OGIVE, we use the upper limits of the class intervals. So we're going to use 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 with the cumulative frequencies. Okay, but take note, your graph must be rooted. So the class interval, we're going to use the lower class limit and then also the upper class limit. Okay, please take note of that. Okay, so the first one will be 0, 0, and then we have 20 goes with 1. The cumulative frequency is 1, so 20 goes with 1. Please make sure you understand the scaling. It's very important. So here we're counting in ones: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. So the small squares here represent 1. Okay, so 20 is 1, and then we use the 40, the upper class limit, with 8. 40 goes with 8, so here 5, 6, 7, 8 is here. And then 60 goes with 18, 60 goes with 18, 15, then 16, 17, 18 here. And then 80 goes with 23, 80 is here, 23, this is 25, so it should be 24, 23 should be here. Right, and then 100 goes with 27, so if 25 here, 26, 27, like that. This is what we have. Then we join these points. We join these points, drawing your OGIVE. That is the answer for 3C.